Hello guys, welcome back to Spirotech 365. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply wiggle transform in After Effects. So, let's get started. Now add a repeater. Put the value 12 for copies. Now add a wiggle transform. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters like I do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.